Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. As you can see, we're out in the yard.
We outside today.
We outside. It's a beautiful day today, so we outside in the yard getting prepared to clean this yard so we can get prepared to cook out on the grill this weekend. It's supposed to be really nice. Get down, Budge, for you not cutting my phone. It's supposed to, Budge. Oh, God. I got my phone propped up here on a chair against the house so you can, like, I don't want it to fall, but my grandson was climbing on the chair. Yeah, guys, so we're out here in the yard and we're cleaning up the yard, trying to get ready for the weekend. Well, not the weekend, the upcoming week, because it's supposed to be literally in the 70s and like almost 80 on Friday. I think it is Friday. So I want to clean up the yard because when it's nice out, we go in the yard and we cook on the grill, honey.
Yeah. We get it popping over here.
Yeah, we like cooking on the grill, so I'm
kick
cleaning.
Back and chill.
Exactly, I'm cleaning the yard out right now. Well, my daughter's raking right now because all the fall leaves have fell, and we're gonna get ready for
spring slash summertime.
Springtime slash summertime in the suburbs.
Y'all see that sun glistening?
And it's beautiful, guys.
Hey.
It's beautiful. Look at my daughter. She's raking.
Rake it up.
Raking up all these damn leaves because I hate cooking on the grill with all these leaves. So I gotta rake the leaves up, bag them up, put them out for the trash, and then get ready to get the grill out for this weekend, guys. So stay tuned.
Hey. Stop.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Okay, Sippy Zombie say, first one now. First one now. Everybody now. I am. By now I am.
So guys, so far that is the big pile of leaves that has been raked up out of this yard. And our work here is still not done.
Hey guys, so yeah, this yard is a hot mess, leaves galore, and yeah, so that's the pile that we managed to rake up. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a pretty big pile, guys. So now we have to bag that up, and then after we bag it up, we have to put it out or take it to the dump, recycle it, and you know, that would be a lot better than it is now because right now it's in a pile. But this haven't been done since before the winter, and the fall leaves and the winter. So now it's spring. So now we're doing it now, and now it's a lot that we have to do. But I would say that's probably about 4 big of my bags. I have really big plastic industrial bags, so probably like 4 big bags should get that. Maybe, yeah, like 4 really big bags. Stuff them to capacity, take them to the dump. But yes, guys, we are out here enjoying, listen to that, listening to the birds chirping, enjoying the springtime weather out here. Being thankful because we woke up and seen another day. And praise the Lord, we are blessed, guys. We're just hanging out in the yard, and enjoying this weather, enjoying the day, enjoying the sun, enjoying the spring, and amazing. My daughter's she's making her little palette down on the grass so she can do her art. She's gonna do her art on the grass. And we're gonna just sit here and hang out, guys. Get some of that vitamin E in my hair and soak up some nice vitamin E from the sun. Not too much, but get a little bit of vitamin E. The sun is amazing today. And my grandson's with my aunt. My daughter, they're down on the grass. She's about to do her art and her painting. And look at that. And there you go. Hey, Brianna. She just made her little palette with my grandbaby down on the grass. And she's about to do, she bought her some, she's making her some hand-painted tote bags, I think. So she's out on the grass with her nephew, doing a little activity. We're just hanging out, guys, vibing in the sun, enjoying the day. Hey. At living my black girl lifestyle, Shanti.
Hey,
just
guys.
got home from college. She had a class today, and she's going to go get her bag, I guess, so she can do her work. And yeah, guys, it's the springtime vibes out here. This is what we do, and I've got my little fire pit right there ready to go. I don't know what the hell happened to my fire pit. Looks like it's been tossed around the yard a couple of times. But yeah, I'm about to load that bad boy up because we'll be cooking on the grill, and I'll be throwing something on it. Even though it's gonna be nice, but still I love just to look at the flames of the fire pit. So I'll throw some wood in the fire pit. And just hang out in the yard, guys. But yeah, my daughter's right there on the grass, and she's hanging out with her nephew, enjoying this weather, guys. I hope you guys can enjoy this weather, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog, this video. Listen to the birds just a chirping. The birds are like, that's how you know the spring is here, when they start talking to you. I love that. It's so beautiful and amazing, guys. But stay tuned for more from My Crazy Big Black Family, guys, on YouTube. If you're new, please subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much, and welcome to the family. Thank you, and welcome to My Crazy Big Black Family. Thank you for hitting that bell. And while you hit that bell, if you didn't get a chance to go back and hit the post notifications and press the all for all notifications so you guys can get notified of all the new videos, vlogs, shorts, whatever we put out there, guys, which is literally consistently every day. So stay tuned. Yes, springtime vibes in the yard, outside. Get out there, enjoy the weather.